have here some beautiful pencil thin asparagus. Because these are so thin, we're going to cook these just maybe 2-3 minutes tops, because I don't want them to be soft. I like them to stay a little crispy. Also, asparagus this size, and even the thicker ones, they do fall through the grate. So you want to use another little grill pan. These things are made specially for grill to help you get the grill flavor, but to prevent your food from falling through. So here we go. Placing this over on the side that is not lit, so the heat is coming from primarily the other side. Let's give these a little toss. Already they're turning a bright green. That's a good sign. Give them another minute. Siri, 1 minute on a timer, please.
Okay, I said it. Just remember, a watched iPad never boils.
She's clever.
I've never heard her make a joke before. For this thin, that's all it takes. This was about 3 minutes. If you want to dress these up a little bit, you could take a lemon and a zester and just zest a little lemon over the top. You could take some grated parmesan, and while it's still hot, sprinkle that over, just for something a little different. And there we have a delicious platter of grilled asparagus.